Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money on Canva. Let's begin. Making money on Canva typically involves leveraging your design skills to offer services or sell digital products. If you are new here, basically Canva is a graphic design platform that provides tools for creating social media graphics, presentations, promotional merchandise, and websites. All right, the servers offer design tools for individuals and companies, and we are here to explore a lot of methods wherein we can utilize the platform to make money. But for you to be able to do that, the first thing you need to know is to create an account here if you haven't already. I need you to click on the sign up button. Okay, so you have four options. You can continue with your Google account, with your Facebook, with your maybe business email or working email. You can also click on the continue another way, wherein you have multiple options for using your Apple, Microsoft, Clever, and you can also log in or continue signing in with your mobile device. Now, let me sign in with a Google account. Now, once you have signed up, you should be able to receive a code so that you could successfully create your first account here on Canva. After that, you need to use this code, put it in your account, and then you will be sent here in this specific page wherein it will ask you what industry you are, company size, department, seniority, and your team goals. If you want to skip that, all right, so you would be asked to try it for 30 days, or if you prefer to have an individual trial. Now, you can enjoy powerful collaboration as a team, and you can create designs together with Canva teams. But what I'm going to do is just opt to the I prefer an individual trial. Now, from here, as you can see, just click on the start free trial. And what will happen is it would be forwarded on this section. All right, just click on maybe later and follow the on-screen instructions. All right. After that, now the next thing that you need to realize once you are here on Canva, one of the ways for you to earn money is to simply offer custom graphic design services using the platform. Now, this include creating logos, social media graphics, posters, business cards, and a lot more. Now, I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail for now and see where we can sell this kind of services. All right. Now, this one, I wanted to, of course, sell this specific kind of graphic thumbnail on networking sites. And my first option is going to be this freelancing website, which is very famous, called Fiverr. All right. Now, I have an account here, and what I would do is I'm going to sign in and try to sell my graphic design skill and services, of course, to earn more money. Now, as you can see, I'm just gonna click on the become a seller option here in Fiverr and publish your gig. All right, just let me click on continue and a lot more. Now, this is gonna be the first thing that will give me money using Canva. All right, now I will do freelance designs. It's up to you if it's for logo design, brand style guides, and a lot more, or graphic for designers. All right, overlays and thumbnails. Obviously, that's going to be banners and positive keywords, like maybe a freelance design. Click on save and continue. All right. After that, you would be able to post your skills here on Fiverr, and of course one of the client or customers or company would be able to reach you out, give you payments, give you contracts, and more projects when you use the platform. Now, the next option is, now another way for you to earn money here on Canva is to create courses or video tutorials like YouTube tutorials teaching others how to use Canva effectively. And one of the best platforms for you to join is Udemy. All right, because I have an account here, and there's also like other platforms like Teachable or Skillshare, which allows you to sell these courses to a wide audience. Right? So all of the skills you need in one place, and that's going to be related to graphic designing. All they're going to do is sign up to an account here on Udemy using your provide your full name, email, and password. And once you sign up, it's the same thing as with Fiverr. The thing is, this is for creating and selling online courses, while Fiverr is for freelance graphics design kind of gig. Right? The next option that you can exploit or explore is you might want to also explore the avenue of creating ebooks or guides on how to use Canva effectively, like design tips or specific niche related guides, and sell these through platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing KDP. You see, you can basically create any design graphics that you wanted. You can design customizable templates for social media posts, presentations, resumes, and sell them on marketplaces like Amazon Kindle. Now, also after Kindle, if you're not going to the ebooks, you might want to go to marketplaces like Etsy. Now, this is one of the most popular platform for marketplaces, designing customizable templates for social media posts, presentations, resume, and sell them here in Etsy, because many people prefer Canva templates because they are easy to edit for non-designers, right? As you can see, these are going to be the price that you can put on your designs for pillows and a lot more products that you can do. Now, another option that you can go into is within the Canva Pro affiliate marketing. Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, you can promote Canva Pro subscriptions. When someone signs up for a Canva Pro account through your referral link, of course, you earn a lot of commissions. Of course, you can simply go here to become a collection partner. And these are going to be the insights from the people behind the Canva. All right. I want you to go here and look at all of the perks and benefits that you can get when joining the Canva Pro affiliate marketing. Alternatively, you can also provide design coaching or consultant. You can provide one-on-one coaching sessions to help individuals or businesses improve their design skills using Canva. Of course, make sure your designs are high quality and cater to specific niches or audiences. You have to understand your target market and create designs that resonate with them. And obviously, you can provide excellent customer service to build a loyal client base and receive positive reviews. And obviously, by leveraging your creativity and Canva's user-friendly platform, you can effectively monetize your design skills and passion, and of course, create a sustainable income stream online. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.